Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I'm going to make a video on the topic Calibrate Google Maps. Let's start with the introduction. We all like to travel. Some places we know, so we don't need any help. However, when we go to new place, we need some help. We used to use paper maps back days. Now when we have smartphones, we use online maps. There are many providers for online maps. However, Google Maps is a widely used software. It is one of the most popular and accurate maps on the market. Today we are going to talk all about Google Maps. Let's start with Google Maps. Google Maps is an online mapping platform. It was launched in early 2005. Google develops it. It has a lot of features. There are mainly two types of imaging available in Google Maps. The first is the satellite imaginary and the second is aerial imaginary. Satellite imaginary, this functions allows us to get the satellite view of the area. It is useful when we have to look into the areas where we are traveling. To access this feature, tap on the menu button on the Google Map homepage and select satellite view. Aerial imaginary. This function is same as paper maps. It is just digital. You will be able to see the street from an aerial view. It is the most widely used imaging views to use the maps. It is the default imaging view of the map. Next is how do Google Maps work? Let's start with the detailed working of the Google Map. The first one is GPS. GPS is a sensor that connects the device with satellites. For the result, whenever you are working with GPS, you are connected with 7 satellites. However, if you are in some basement or any subway, the GPS might not work properly. Wi-Fi. The next option comes to the Wi-Fi. Google Maps also uses Wi-Fi to get the results. When the GPS stopped working, the software automatically changes to Wi-Fi. Cell network. The last option is a cell network or cell tower. When both GPS and Wi-Fi are not available, then the software switches to the cell tower to get the precise location of the device. Features of Google Maps. Auto traffic reroute. When you are going somewhere, if you get stuck in the traffic, the software will automatically reroute your ways. Google has covered most of the streets in the world. In the Google database, it has possible ways to get somewhere. Offline maps. You can download maps when you have no internet. This feature is one of the best features to look at. The software allows you to download maps of an area on your device. It can be downloaded over Wi-Fi. 360 angle view. The map provides 360 angle view of some areas. If the area is mapped in 360 angle view, can definitely enjoy it. You just have to tap on the 360 angle view and you will be able to see it. Virtual walk around. Google Maps also give you the option of virtual walk around an area. If the area is mapped for virtual walk around, you can access it. When you view some area that is mapped, you can tap on the virtual walk around and you can virtually walk in that area. Continuous traffic updates. One of the best thing about Google Maps is continuous traffic updates. Whenever you go somewhere, the software will continuously update for the traffic. It crowdsources the traffic status from the device in that area. Save commonly used address. The next feature of the Google Map is the option to save the address of the places we visit more. You can tap on the saved option at the bottom tab to access it, or you can also save a new address. Conclusion. In this video, we have seen how to make Google Map work more perfectly. We have talked about how to calibrate Google Maps. If you face any problem next time using the Google Map, use the method we talked about to make the Google Map work more perfectly. You should also sometimes try to download the maps because sometimes the problem also occurs due to the unavailability of a good internet connection. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.